Well, here we are going to Copart again. My friend Kevin, and he bought a couple cars from there. He bought a Scion XB and a Mazda 3. We're going to get the Scion today in St. Louis, and I don't know. Maybe some of you guys are right. You said around tax time, everybody floods Copart. You can't buy anything. Tax time is over. Kevin seemed to be able to pull a couple good deals out of it, and I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But he's in Walmart right now getting the money orders because Copart, you can't pay with cash. They charge you a bunch to use your debit card. There's some kind of weird stuff. And so, yeah, looks like maybe possibly some rain today. I don't know. It's kind of cloudy over there. And, yeah, we're going to go do that. We got the dash cam with us right here. And we'll shoot some video once we get there. Be a couple hours for us, be about 30 seconds for you. Alright, so I made it to Copart. Pulling in, I think we're just gonna, Kevin don't kill us. Enough of the stop. Good enough. I think I'm gonna do a time lapse on this. And we'll let it record in real time. We'll time lapse it until he's ready to load the car on. We got about 5 or 6 people in front of us. See the lot on the left, you guys see that. That's the holding lot. So you basically pull your trailer up here and you go in and give them the paper. And you wait for the driver to deliver your car.
I think I would pull up next to this guy or get over next to that guy.
That guy's leaving right there. Just whip over to the left.
Like he's leaving, he's empty.
Guy next to him left.
So pull up next to him.
Well, here we're gonna see if Kevin's disappointed or not. He said didn't really say anything about it. Minor dents and scratches, or what was the story?
Said minor dents and scratches, didn't say much else. It's got a motor.
The engine's actually there. What's all over there?
Something leaving the battery blowing up, probably.
I think it's freaking dirty. Yeah, a little on there.
A little low.
About a quart low, man. Thinks you smell it.
Yep.
Smells like straight gas.
It's like 30,000 miles.
The utmost professional. Here, you want to check the tranny fluid? There's no battery. Battery dead. That sounds more like a engine locked up than battery dead. Let's get the jump pack. Kevin's took out the jump pack. Inside's kind of dirty. Upgraded radio. Or is that the cheapo? I don't remember. Not the JVC. All right. Oh yeah. Get you no compression.
Damn spark plugs in it.
I would say a broken timing belt, but it doesn't have a belt, it has a chain. You got a 10 millimeter? What does that say on the windshield? Pyongyang?
Huh?
Donation. Oh. She's donated. Try don't see any coolant in it. I don't see any coolant in it, and I don't see a belt on it. The alternator belt's missing.
Well, I mean, the belt broke. It got severely overheated.
This water pump runs off the
Belt.
Does it run off the belt?
Yeah.
Oh, probably. Thought they could make her home.
That do anything?
That's for iPhone 7 or newer. The
Something else too.
ear pods. No, it's empty box. All right, well, we'll see. Kevin bought that Lexus and the Nissan, didn't get screwed, so I don't know. I think he's probably overdue. We'll see. If it's only a head gasket situation, it's really not that bad on this, so.
No,
Judging by the quality of the oil, I would say might be kind of iffy. We'll see. All right, we're gonna head back home.